You know, there's just been such a tremendous amount of cancer in my family. My mom's a 30-year colon cancer survivor. My cousin and best friend is a 7-year breast cancer survivor. My father-in-law and brother-in-law have both had cancer. And with all of them, there were legal issues that transcended and lasted much longer than their medical issues did. And I just thought it shouldn't be that way. And I thought as an attorney there might be something I could do to help. We're a newer organization. We've been providing service for 2 years to the Minnesota cancer community, and we strive to provide help with all different types of legal issues that can come up after a cancer diagnosis.
I think what makes Lindy shine so bright is that she leads by example. She's not in social work, she's not in mental health, she's not in the medical profession per se. You know, most people would think, well, what can I do for a cancer patient? But she looked outside of that and said, look, there is something I have to offer, and there is something that I can give. And I think that's such a good example for all of us, that in so many ways, whatever talents, whatever things we've been blessed with, these are things that can benefit others, and that's really what makes the world a better place. I think she's just a great example of that.
What really got me wanting to start this was seeing the struggles that my own family has had with cancer. My mom's a 30-year colon cancer survivor, and after she was done being treated, we ended up losing our medical insurance, and she was forced to get insurance through a company in Holland that provided very good coverage, but it required that she pay her bill in full before they would reimburse her for the expense. And as you can imagine, that's quite a financial burden to have to bear. And so she did this for about a year, and then one day her doctor heard about her situation. He said, well, heaven's sake, just mark her bill paid. And I'll just never forget. I'll just never forget the relief on her face, and even though I couldn't put words to it, I really understood that sometimes the action that you take is so small, but the impact that it can have is so big.